I'm filming the intro for this way after the actual day happened. This is like a week ago that I filmed this video. I have a very fetching, what looks like a lip piercing under my lip. It's actually a spot, which is just lovely. I wanted to intro this video because the previous intro was just bad energy. It was 6 a.m. in the morning on a Monday morning and I was just not feeling it. And I thought, when I watched it back, I was like, that is depressing me to watch. So I am doing a little intro now. I've got a really normal office couple of days in the life for you guys. I'm struggling being back at work, if I'm totally honest. Not that I had any time off, but it's just the commuting, getting back to getting up early. Obviously where we live now, we've got a different route to work and I'm trying to get up at 6 a.m. every morning and then get to the office by like before 8 o'clock, just because I don't want to like hit bad rush hour. But yeah, the early starts are really taking it out of me. So it's just taking a little bit of like adjustment time to get back into it all. But yeah, welcome to the vlog. The next few clips are going to be me getting ready in the morning and heading to work. And then usual cooking dinners, chatting to you guys, opening some parcels. Enjoy. I'm just home from the office and I've come home to two really exciting parcels. One of them is something I bought and the other one is a gift. So let me just show you what I got. The first thing, I've actually not even opened these. These are a pair of shoes that I ordered from M&S and I actually ordered them before I saw everyone talking about them, but just to be one of those people. But I actually keep seeing these everywhere now and I feel like they are going to go out of stock really soon. So I'm going to link them down below. Please pick them up if you are looking for them because I feel like these are going to be really good shoes. How cool are these? I feel like they're real leather. Hang on, I'm going to check this out. All right, I don't know. Oh, they're vegan. They are not real leather. Oh my God, they feel like real leather and they look like real leather. I just think they're so cool. I was really looking for a pair of shoes that would just go as like a more of a slim fit shoe under a pair of black jeans or blue jeans. And I was really struggling because often I wear my big chunky black boots or I wear trainers and I just feel like these are going to be such a nice addition to my wardrobe, especially for winter and like evenings out, even with like dressed up tops, pair of black jeans and then these. I feel like these are so nice. Honestly, to the naked eye, they look like leather. I'm surprised that they're not. Let me just try one on and show you what it looks like on. Obviously, ignore the fact that I've got one of them on, but how cute is this? I feel like it makes the foot look really slim as well. I love these. Obsessed. Obsessed, obsessed. I'm definitely keeping them. Also with a pair of really sheer black tights and a little dress for like Christmas time. Love them. I can't believe they're not real leather. They feel like they are. Free from animal derived ingredients or materials. And they were £39.50 and I got a size 7. Okay, the next thing is super exciting. I have been sent a box of Candy Kitten sweets. I think it's actually an advent calendar. It came in the post like this and I love it. I mean, it's so camp and bright. Let me just open this. Oh my God, love it. I'm obsessed. Is that really bad to open your advent calendar before Christmas? I don't know, but let's see. Let's go in the door of number 1. Oh my God, are they Percy pigs? They're Candy Kitten pigs. Oh my God, they're really yummy. Got loads of flavour. So dinner tonight, we were actually planning to have prawns with some sort of like garlicky butter with some rice, and like, I don't know, we had it a few times in Mexico. But I'm really craving some pasta. I feel like it's the week before my period. I'm pretty sure it is. Cue the tears and the weepy sadness. But I'm just really craving some carbs and some pasta. So I think I'm actually going to do like a prawn chili garlic pasta dish with you. So let's go and cook that together. Prawns are out the freezer, and I also got out some garlic bread as well, because that's going to be delish. I find in the evenings it's so nice just to make yourself like a little speciality drink, even if it's like non-alcoholic. It's just not a cocktail, but I just like a little sparkling water with some lime cordial, and I feel like it's such a nice little refreshing evening drink. So I'm going to make myself one of those, and then I am going to chop up some garlic, roast some red cherry tomatoes, cut up some basil, put a bit of olive oil in a pan, and kind of like make a bit of an emulsion for the prawns, and then put in some cans of chopped cherry, then put in some cans of cherry tomatoes, which will be yum. Okay, here we go. I'm just peeling this garlic, and something has just sprung to mind as soon as I've been doing it. That show disclaimer, not that it's even related to the garlic, obviously. The show disclaimer that I was recommending the other night, I saw a few people in the comments say, oh my god, that show's crazy. I wasn't at that bit when I recommended it to you guys. It's absolutely mental, and it's awful, and it's kind of like giving me the creeps a bit. Like, it's not really nice watching. It's very sexually charged, and it's just all a bit gross and icky. So yeah, I mean, it is good. Like, we were chatting about this today at lunch. It is good, and these things do happen in life, so it's like interesting to know about. And apparently there's a very good twist in it, but I'm not at the twist yet, and I'm glad I was told that there was a twist, because I was ready to give up pretty much. Also, Married at First Sight, me and Matt have been watching it religiously. I know we're so far behind just now, but we are, what are we at? Oh, we're just at the bit where the homestays happen. Polly and her guy, I can't remember his name, awful guy. Well, I mean, is he awful? I feel like the two of them together are just like a bad match, but yeah, we're at that point, and we get so invested in the characters. I'm sure you can probably imagine how Matt is when he gets invested. He absolutely loves it, and like, he's got so many opinions on all the different characters. It's pretty funny. But yeah, I wish I could do Gogglebox with Matt. It'd be funny. Anyway, I'm just chopping the garlic. I needed to do a quick intermission just to tell you that about disclaimer. That's the disclaimer for the TV show itself. We actually had no red chili, which is really annoying. I had to use green. I feel like it doesn't go, but then part of me is like, aren't these pretty much just the same thing? One is more ripe than the other. Because the end of the chili was starting to go orangey red. But anyway, I used half of this big chili and some garlic. I cut up like 5 cloves of garlic, because I love garlic. And I also wanted to tell you about this little fact that I learned. Apparently, if you put the garlic in cold, because one of my biggest problems is that when I'm cooking with garlic, especially in pasta sauces, I obviously want the sauce to infuse in the sauce, right? I want the garlic to infuse in the sauce, but I feel like the garlic burns really quickly. So I saw this trick where apparently if you put the garlic and the chili and stuff in cold oil and then slowly bring it up to a heat, apparently it infuses much better and it doesn't burn. So that's what I'm trying to do here, and I've just also put in some cherry tomatoes because they're going to add extra flavour, and I need to find my muti tomatoes. They should be in here. Here they are. Look at my little pantry. This is not a pantry, this is just a cupboard, but I organised it, and look, these are Matt's sweets. Fantasia. They don't go there, Matt. They go up here. So we've got our little couscous packets and stuff. I still need to actually organise the whole pantry because it's still looking a mess. Let me actually show you. There's the containers I got the other day, and that's our little toolbox. I'm sure I showed you that already. This is what our pantry's looking like. It's got a random fajita kit, some pasta, and then toilet roll and stuff. So I still need to organise that, but I feel like I have no time. I'm totally exhausted from being in the office every day. Not exhausted, but it's just more like the time it takes for me to get home and like, I don't know. I wish I could work from home more. Let's see. Enjoying this as well. Delish. Also, so many exciting things about the house. I've been ordering furniture left, right and centre. The table that I ordered, I have to give you the whole update on all the things I've been ordering. I ordered a table on Etsy. I'll actually put a picture of the table on the screen because I'm not even getting it anymore, so it's not even going to be a big reveal. The table was going to take like 3 weeks to be delivered, and I didn't want it to take that long. So I said to there was going to be a delay. The person was like, oh, sorry, like we can only deliver during this certain period. Sorry, it was even longer than 3 weeks. I think it was more like 5 weeks. So I cancelled it and I ordered a different one, which I'm super excited about. It's like more rustic farmhouse style. We've gone rectangle. The first one was oval or round. And this next one is actually rectangle because I thought oval would look good in the space, and I'm sure it would, but actually I like a square table or a rectangle table because just for working from, and also when you have people around, I feel like it can seat more people. So yeah, that's exciting. And I got a bunch of chairs as well. And then we also have a chest of drawers arriving this week, which I'm really excited about. And my headboard is ready, which is good. The only thing that is not going to be ready until early December is the bed itself, which is really annoying because we can't put the headboard on the wall without the bed being here. But that's fine. Anyway, it's first world problems. I'm just happy to be in our little home. Pasta is cooking. Let me get this garlic bread in the oven. Yeah, 7 o'clock I got in.
What, like bang on 7?
Yeah, bang on.
It's meant to come on at... I mean, what's the time? Yeah, it's meant to come on at 7.
Our sitting through there on the step didn't last long because it's quite uncomfortable. So we're not sitting on the sofa to eat, we're sitting on the floor to eat here. But we have a really cute little setup. Let me just show you. Also, this is the warning that comes before disclaimer, which shows just how crazy it is. Okay, Matt's here. He just got in from work.
Ready to feed.
Is it nice? Quite spicy.
Oh yeah.
Is it really spicy?
No, but it's got a good kick to it. It's lovely.
Okay, good.
Really impressed with it.
Good to know. Let me try a little prawn.
Has got a bit of a like after kick. It's nice there.
Okay, we're gonna watch the rest of this show and I'll give you a little update after. It's now Tuesday morning. I'm just getting ready to go into the office. Well, the coffee machine's quite loud. I'm just heading to work. It's Tuesday morning. I think this could be actually my last day in the office. I took Friday off work because we have some family, well, it's my parents who are coming down to visit, and I just needed a few days just to like sort my life out. So I've taken Friday off. I'm going to do that all day Friday and just like get all the house bits done. I really want to like clean the bathrooms and stuff. Bathroom, we do not have multiple bathrooms. And yeah, and also we're getting some furniture delivered in the next couple of days, so I need to be around for that. I've got my lunch here that I made yesterday. Well, I made it last night when I was preparing dinner. We've got my cheese and ham sandwich with mustard mayo and then a little Miller corner. I always feel like I'm having a packed lunch whenever I have a Miller corner with my sandwich. I'm just waiting on Matt getting out of the bathroom so that we can walk into town. He's going to go and work in a coffee shop for a couple of hours this morning, and then I'm obviously going to head to the train. Yeah, I feel like we're leaving it a little bit late this morning, but that's fine. So I realised I desperately need some new work blouses. I feel like I always wear the same 3 things on repeat and it's getting a bit boring. I'm bored of seeing myself in this one. Even though I love this is an M&S special. I wish they would bring this out in exactly the same material but just different prints, because I would buy like 10 of these. It washes so well and doesn't need ironed, and I feel like it looks good, and I love the sleeves. So yeah. Anyway, I need to go because I'm running late, and I will see you at some point throughout the day. I actually went to go and see about another mole that I have on my leg that's been bothering me, and one on my shoulder. Well, what I thought was a mole on my shoulder, but it's actually a wart. And he did the like burning thing, so he burned that off for me, which is good. It's gonna fall off at some point. How gross. And then I need to get the other one on my leg removed, which is quite annoying. I'm now gonna go around with another bruise on my leg, but it's fine. It's all for, you know, good in the long run. I'm just finishing, even though it's only Tuesday night, it feels like it's like Thursday. I am finishing the final glass of wine that we have left over from the rosé that we opened on Friday night or Saturday night. I'm just plating up dinner. We have got tonight some breaded fish, which actually looks delicious, some chips, and then we've got some salad. And then I think for Matt, he's gonna have some of the the Caesar dressing on his. So we're having a bit of an easy dinner just because I had to go to the dermatology appointment after work and do lots of things. And we're gonna watch I think the final episode of Disclaimer. And yeah, we're excited. So I'm gonna plate up dinner now. I'm in bed on the floor. Our mattress is still on the ground. We don't have a bed yet. I just wanted to pop on and say thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was a little bit shorter than usual, but the next one is going to be longer. And yeah, that's all I have to say actually. Hope you're having a lovely week, and I will see you for another video on Wednesday. Bye.